Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will see some important commands related to file manipulation in the fourth video of Linux for Hacker series. So let's start. So first I will see ls command. Now I will use, I want to create, suppose I want to create a file. So to create a file, I can use touch, touch touch command. Suppose I want to create a file taste.txt. So I have created. Now if I will use ls, you can see test.txt has been created. If I want to write some data inside the test.txt, so I can use echo command, echo I am teaching Linux. Now I can redirect this data inside the test.txt. So now, so if I will press Control plus D, so I return to normal terminal. You can see. So if I will type cat test dot txt, so you can see the information has been fed inside the test.txt file. Suppose I want to add some more information inside test.txt. So I can use another command, nano test dot txt. If I want to add anything or I want to delete some information from here, I want to edit something inside this text file, I can use nano command. Now I can add, suppose I like to teach, I like to teach cryptography for hacking purpose. So suppose I have finished editing of this test.txt file. Now I want to exit. So to exit, I will press Ctrl plus X. It is asking, do you want to save the test file? So I want to save. So I will press yes. Now it is saying, do you want to make modification in the file or you want to save as it is? If I have to change the file name, so I can here make changes. If I want to keep changes in the same file without changing any file name, then I will hit enter button. So now if I will type cat test.txt, so it will show this. Now suppose I want to make editing in this file by using another command that is called vi. So if I am using vi test.txt, so it will open. Now suppose I want to add some more information. So in this case, I have to press the insert tab. Now I can add additional information inside this file. I am a researcher. I am a researcher in cyber security field. I offer dissertation writing services to cybersecurity student. Now I have to save this file and exit. Now I will type escape. Now it has been changed from insert mode to normal mode. Now I can press colon WQ and then I will hit enter button. So it has been saved and now I'm out of my. Now I am returning to my current shell. So again, if I will use cat test.txt, so you can see additional information has been added in this file. Next, I want to send this file in some another folder. Suppose I want to create a new folder or directory. For that, I will use command mkdir linux 1. Now I want to copy test.txt in Linux folder. So what I will use? I will use command cp test.txt file into Linux 1. Now let's say ls. Now if I will type cd Linux 1, now I will type ls. So we can see now test.txt is inside Linux 1 directory or folder. Now suppose I want to change the name of this directory. So what I will do next, ls, I want to change the file name inside hacker folder. So for that I will use command mv hacker test.txt to hacker service.cp. It has been changed. Now if I want to see what is inside the service.cp, so I will put cat hacker service.cp. So you can see attackers usually use change the name of important files extension. They change the extension to hide the details of any important files. They change the name of the files, extension of the files to hide the sensitive informations. Next command is if I want to see what is inside Linux hacker. So I can recursively use. Suppose I want to use ls minus lr to recursively see all information inside our hacker folder. Hacker. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe my channel to see more video in future. Thank you.